Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at some multiple choice questions on logarithm. Now we have here an example. We have to express log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus 3 log 4 as a single logarithm. We have here our possible options. We have option A, log 3 on 8, B, log 3 on 16, C, log 3 on 2, and then D, log 8 on 3. Now this is the SSE 1997 question number 14. All right, let's go ahead and look at the solution to this problem. So let me write down the solution. And let me use a different color here so that we can see. So we have the expression log 3 plus 3 log 2 minus 3 log 4. All right. So for those of us who know how to solve logarithm problems, you know that when you have a coefficient in front of log, you send that and it becomes the power of the number after the log, which is the 2 in this case, and in this case it will be 4. So the 3 will become the power of 4 over here, and then vice versa. So this expression becomes log 3 plus log 2 raised to the power 3 minus log 4 raised to the power 3. Okay, now in logarithm, when we have log, okay, or two log variables, and then we have addition in between them, it means we can bring the log out and then multiply the numbers. The same way, if we have subtraction sign, it means we can divide the number. So in this case, this will give me, this will be equal to log, then into brackets, 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, that is this 3 here and then 2 raised to the power 3 here. Then I can bring my minus log 4 raised to the power 3. So from here, I have log here, there is subtraction between them, so I divide. So this will be equal to log. Then I have this guy at the top. I can expand it or I can leave it. So let me leave it for now. 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. Then the division, the subtraction sign here becomes division, and then 4 raised to the power 3 comes at the bottom over here. So from here, I have log, then into bracket, 2 raised to the power 3, that is 8 multiplied by 3. So we have over here 24, and then 4 raised to the power 3, that will give me 64. Okay, so from here, all I have to do is to find a number that will simplify 24 and 64. Okay, so a number that will go into both of them. So from here, I can see that 8 can do justice to that. So 8 will go into 24 3 times, and then we'll go into 64 8 times. So I have over here log, then this becomes 3, because 8 will go here 3 times, 8 will go here 8 times. So I have over 8 over here at this point. So I have here my answer to be log 3 over 8. Okay, and if we look at our possible choices, we see that option A is the correct answer in this particular case. All right, let's go ahead and look at another example. So the second example we have over here is if log to the base 10, 3 is equal to A, and log to the base 10, 5 is equal to B. We have to find in terms of A and B the value of the expression log base 10, 75. Now, this is the SSE 1993 question number 13. And then here are the possible choice that we have. We have A. Option A is A plus 2B. Option B is 2A plus B. Option C is A plus B. And then option D is 2AB. Now, let's look at the solution to this problem. So I write down my solution. The first thing I want to do is to write the expression that I have, which is log base 10, 75. Now, what you want to do is that you want to be able to expand what you have over here in the form of log base 10, 3 and then log base 10, 5. That is what you want to do. So now we need to think of two numbers that are multiples of 3 and 5, that when we multiply them together we get 75. So if we look at 3 multiplied by 25, this will give us 75. So we use that. So I'll have over here log base 10, then I have into brackets 3 multiplied by 25. Are we okay? Now from here, this will be equal to, now when you have log and then you have two numbers multiplying each other, you can apply the log across the numbers individually, but you change the multiplication to addition. So this will become log base 10, 3 here, then plus log base 10, 25. Are we okay? Now 25 here, 5 square is 25. Okay, because we have the expression log base 10 3, that is a, and then log base 10 5. So we need to break down the 25 in the form of 5, or to get 5. And it so happens that 5 squared will give us 25. So we'll go with that. So we have log base 10 3 here plus log base 10, then the 25 becomes 5 squared. Now from here, we have the square over here. We'll move it in front of the log, one of the properties of logarithm. So we have here log base 10 3 plus 2 log base 10 5. Now the beauty over here is that now we have expressed, or we've expanded, log base 10 75 into the simplest form that we can. And then per the question, log base 10 3 is a. So in place of log base 10 3 here, I'll write a at the bottom over here, then plus the 2 here will remain here. Then in place of log base 10 5 over here, I'll put b over there. So I have b. So my final answer is a plus 2b. Okay, as my final answer. And if I look through the possible options, I have option A, which is a plus 2b, as my correct answer. So this becomes my correct answer. So thank you so much for watching. These are just some few questions on logarithm that we decided to look at today. Now in the subsequent videos, we'll be looking at more objective questions on logarithm, and then I will be compiling or to make one full long video tutorial at the end. So thank you once again, and if you're new to my science tutorial, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then share with your colleagues and friends. Thank you once again, and bye bye.